it! Fairy garden cake! Welcome back to the Let's Make It channel. Today we'll be making a fairy garden cake. So our supplies today are some toys, a cake, a chocolate cake, some smushed up Oreos with the cream taken out. We crushed it up with a spoon and some whipped cream with cream cheese in it and whipped cream. We'll put the link to the recipe below, but it's our recipe. And this pretty flower, this fake pretty flower. We're gonna make a fairy garden cake. So we have toys that looks like for a garden. So let's get our supplies and let's make it. First, break up your chocolate cake with your hands. Break. Smushy, yep. Should I taste it? Yeah. It's delicious. Should I add more? Yummy. It's super good. It's really fun to smush up in your hands, but make sure your hands are clean. Feels kind of squishy, and the big pieces feel like a little bit hard. But when you smush it up, it's really squishy. Smush. We did it! This is going to be our soil for our garden. I think, and then we put our frosting on. Yeah. Should I taste it? I think I should have another bite. Okay, I'm done. Okay. First, I'm going to put layers of cake into my pink bowl. Layers of cake into my pink bowl. Uh-oh. I'll just look it up. If you're making this for other people, don't lick your hands while you're baking. I just ate it because I'm just making it for myself. And for you, I'm sorry. That wasn't nice. Do you want like a real flower pot? Or like one of these bowls or a glass clear bowl? Or one of these? You can like just do it. And so now, I think we could put a layer of frosting. Make it in a thick layer. Add more frosting to it. This doesn't really actually taste like frosting. It tastes a little sweet and a little creamy. And it's really foamy. I really hope you like my video. I still need a little more. Now put some more cake in. Let's have more space base, you could do another layer of frosting. I have more room, so I am. I'm running out of frosting. I think it's time for a little more cake and then Oreos. Now it's time to sprinkle some Oreos. Soften it up. Make sure you completely cover all frosting. Make sure you completely cover your frosting with your Oreo mixture. I think I'm done. Now it's time for the flour. So, I have some cute little garden boots. I'm gonna put them right there. And a little toy that's from, her name is Princess Holly. She's gonna go under the flower. Here's Queen Thistle. Look at my cute little wagon. Isn't it cute? I have this little table for a tea party. It looks like a mushroom. Here's the plants. Here's this cute little shovel. Look at all our stuff. Look at all our fairies. It's time for the taste test. It's time for the taste test. Let's take our things off. So let's take the flour. Yum, it's time. Yum. I'm gonna use my hands. It's time for the hand part. So many layers of cream and chocolate. You know how you make a mud pie in the garden? This is a mud pie you can eat. Like, actually eat. How excited will your friends be when they know you made a garden cake for them? Yuck. You probably won't want to eat it with your hands when you share this cake. Yum. Oh, and make sure you wash the toys really well before you put them in. I'm gonna clop my hands into the cake. I think I feel something. It's my hand! When you make it, don't eat it with your hands because your parents might get frustrated. What do you think of our fairy garden cake and our mud pile? I need to go wash my hands. Sorry, I'll be right back. Look at my shirt. It's really dirty and chocolatey. It's really chocolate cakey. I hope you like our fairy garden cake. And if you like my video, just hit like and subscribe to Let's Make It channel. Bye. Hit like and subscribe to the Let's Make It channel. Bye! I hope you like my video.